Hey guys, I wanted to do another video, kind of an update. The next video I make will probably be, explaining the total points and lab and stuff like that. And then if there's like some way, if you've missed some things in lab, I'm going to have some kind of make-up policy, so I'll explain that in the video. When I make that video, I want you to be basically finished with the lab portion before you do that. I want to know exactly everything you missed, kind of thing, and see. Anyway, but keep that in mind. Don't lose hope if, say, you missed the practical, or say a couple labs or something like that. Okay, so keep that in mind. I made this announcement. Someone was asking me these week numbers. I just sort of want to keep the announcements in some sort of order, and I base it on what's in the syllabus. And let's look at that schedule. I don't know if students tend not to follow this. Everything is either in the calendar or an announcement. But if you're curious, right, these chapters, this is the quiz numbers, 9, 10, bonus quiz, quiz 11, right? So these are the quizzes associated with these chapters. Sometimes there's 2 chapters per quiz. Most of the time, each chapter has its own quiz. Right, so all chapters 12 through 16 will be the quizzes you take before exam 4. And exam 4 will cover chapters 41 through 46, which is, about nutrition, immune system. So, the systems in human biology, I picked some of the chapter. We didn't cover all of them. And so your labs will reflect that as well. And then these are the relative dates. Say week 13 technically was for taking exam 3 and the quizzes. Week 12 will be the next. So these are the week numbers here. But that's where I generate them from, if you're curious. And the other thing I wanted to make it kind of clear now is when we get to exam 5, it's only 1 week because it's only going to cover 2 chapters. Okay, and these PowerPoints for these chapters are pretty short. I've got a video for each one. At this point, I don't expect to have chapter 29, plant diversity, on exam 5. That's something I plan on doing in the future, so it's there for that reason. Don't worry, you won't see this mentioned anywhere else. This exam 5 is due on May the 7th. So I've kind of in that announcement said you could work ahead, as long as I've opened up, they're open, the quizzes. I'm pretty sure exam 3 is due like on the 9th or the 16th. The 9th. But I think you can take it now, for instance, right? I think it opened up this week. And then I'll open these up the following week. So you'll be able to finish up, say, exam 4 ahead of 4:30. I think I'm not sure exactly when it opens. But once you're done with that, you can get this done the following week. So you could technically be done with exam 5 probably before you're done with all your lab stuff, whenever that ends. So just, there is a limit to how far ahead you can go, but you be aware that, this is what we're covering. You don't have to just do what's in the announcement. Week 12, all right, that'll be on April 1st. Right, and then week 11, just, this one just, right, so there's about a week between each announcement, thereabouts, I don't go exactly on by the week. So I just kind of wanted to mention the lab, be sure, get things done on Thursdays for lab. And then the week number I wanted to talk about, and the, if you look under quiz, under quizzes, right, all the due dates and when they open. See, someone's already taken exam 3, right? That opened up on March 26th, yesterday, like today's Monday the 27th. And you have until April 9th. But April 2nd, right, you can take this quiz, quiz 13, quiz 12 on April 2nd. You'll have until April 30th to complete it. These others don't open until the following week, and then the following week, exam 4. So April 16th, you could take exam 4. And then on exam 5, I think I have them opening April 16th. You're right, you can take quiz 17, and then exam 5 will open up on April 23rd. So just in case you're, curious about that. But you could technically be done with everything you need to do for lab, after you take exam 5 and you've completed all of, there's just one quiz. The other thing about exam 5, just to mention it, I might change this up a little, but right at this point you have 40 minutes to complete. There's 2 true and false questions worth 8 points. So it's different than the other exams. There's 28 questions worth 3 points apiece. So the questions value changes because there's less questions. It's only covering 2 chapters. It's a pretty easy exam. So keep that in mind. So that's it for now. Good luck.